Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Getting a letter from the county auditor can be a little nerve-wracking, but it's usually not a cause for alarm. The county auditor is basically the chief financial officer for your county, responsible for determining property values for tax purposes. A letter from them is often just routine business, so let's break down the most common reasons you might find one in your mailbox. First, and most likely, is a property valuation notice. Every few years, the auditor's office is required to reassess the value of all properties in the county to keep up with the current housing market. This letter will tell you the new appraised value of your home. It's important to review this because this value is what your property taxes are based on. If the value goes up, your taxes might go up too. If you think the new value is too high, this letter will also contain information on how to appeal it. Second, you might get a letter about your homestead exemption. This is actually good news. The homestead exemption is a tax credit for seniors, disabled individuals, or disabled veterans that reduces their property tax bill. The letter could be a reminder to apply if you're eligible, a confirmation that your application was approved, or a request for more information to verify you still qualify. A third reason is a notice for a Board of Revision hearing. This sounds formal, but it's just about a property value dispute. You might get this if you filed an appeal on your property's value, or sometimes if a neighbor or even your local school district has filed an appeal on a property's value, as they also have a stake in property tax collections. Fourth, the letter could be about a special assessment. This happens when your local government is planning an improvement that directly benefits your property, like new sidewalks, street paving, or a sewer line connection. The letter informs you of the proposed project and the potential cost that would be added to your property tax bill for a set number of years. Finally, it could just be a simple information request. The auditor's office might be updating its records and need to confirm details about a recent property sale, a deed transfer, or other public record information. So, what should you do when you get one of these letters? Don't panic. Read it carefully from start to finish. Pay very close attention to any dates or deadlines, especially for filing an appeal. Most auditor websites have a ton of information where you can look up your property details and find necessary forms. If you're still confused, just call their office. They have staff who can explain the letter and answer your questions. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations on homeownership and local government.